Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
This is a great moment for us because somewhere else, through him, through their loss and through their son, he is living in 5 different bodies. I don't know how to express this because this is something where, he has given life to 5 different people who had no hope of moving forward in life. And I'm grateful to all of you. This is not a celebration. We have come here together to appreciate and thank them on behalf of the state of Goa. People of the state of Goa are grateful because all of us go through SOTTO. It goes through its regular guidelines. People benefit in different parts of the country. Nobody can choose who the beneficiary is going to be. Ultimately, it has benefited 5 families.
So Pradyuman Soni, who has donated this organ, he is a 21-year boy. He has given life to 5 patients. GMC under the team work of Dr. Tiwari and Madhu Mohan, 2 patients have received kidneys. Both are doing well, and since it is done just yesterday, we have to see and wait and see, but they are at present very stable and they are doing well.